Hi, I'm Jill from NYP Campus Crusade. And I knew that it would be fun and I wanted to bond more with the people in my school. After Meta, well, through Project X, I learned the importance of evangelism and how God doesn't really need me or anybody to reach the world, but He can do it on His own, but He has given me the privilege of given us the privilege of reaching the world and sharing with other people about Jesus Christ and the things that He has done on the cross. But Meta opened my eyes to the importance of evangelism, and yeah, so now I'm very much aware of it.